All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. This is actually 925 solid sterling silver. Beautiful grill, guys. It's actually single caps. You can see the definition in between each tooth right there, real nice, which gives it that nice permanent style look. Okay, this is 8 top, 8 bottom. You can do any combination you want though. You can do a 6 top, 6 bottom, just a top, just a bottom. That's up to you. But what's really nice about these, it gives it that super definition on each tooth. Very beautiful grills, guys. Real silver 925 sterling, handmade from an actual mold impression of the teeth. So it's a perfect fit. Okay, check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.